What is up, guys? My name is Jason Cruz, and like always, let's get on with the video. So today I'm going to be showing you a cool Black Ops 2 glitch on Transit. It's kind of easy, it's kind of hard, but it takes some time. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Comment, subscribe, please like, and if you don't know how to do it and you need some help, leave some comments below and I'll make another video. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, let me turn off the lights. Alright, so on the top screen, so what you're going to be doing is you're going to be getting your turbine, and easy and simple. Just get it and put it right there, and it'll turn this way. Then you need to build the zombie shield. The zombie shield could be right here, right there. The door piece could be right there, and right here. And then easy, put it on right over here, and then go get the last piece, which would be in the diner. The places it will be is right here, which is right here, right there, or behind that. So easy, simple. Then all I need to do is just go over here, put it back on, take the zombie shield, and the best thing about this is that, you know, the mystery box is going to be right next to me, so all I need to do, alright, but it's easy. Get right here, pull your zombie shield out, and just press X, and then you'll be right there. Ooh, it broke. Let's do this one more time, guys. I'm sorry. Get your zombie shield out. And just press down what you press to get the zombie shield. Oh, I mean, all you have to do is press X. Oh my god. It's not patched, because it just says it. I did it 2 days ago. There. That simple. Well, I'm not in the good fully, but you'll know because yep, I'm in it. See, because I thought I wasn't, but I am. Some zombies will come over here, but most of them won't. So all you gotta do is enjoy headshots. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy. Thank you.